Okay, so in the previous video I have created this view on the S flight. So same way we have to create another CDS view for the airline information. So I just copy this, and the same way new other repository data, then data definition, it should be JET flight UI5 tutorial. Next, define data entity. So let's copy and paste for that is SQL S flight. So I'll change to the this, and this table is this, and I can see the CDS view. This here, actually I am copying from everything, like so this is done, and it is also activated. I can check this view, the SC11, just check this view, display content data. Okay, so these look good. So that is our second view. In the next tutorial I will show you how to create the how to bind that to view and how to create a service. Okay, thank you.